Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech products. Today, we're taking a closer look at the KEDIERS ATX PC Case C690. A stunning and feature-packed gaming PC case that's turning heads. The KEDIERS C690 is designed to impress with its pure white color and 270 degrees fully transparent double-tempered glass panels. This unique design breaks away from the traditional black cases and offers a wider field of view to showcase your high-end hardware. The C690 comes with 6 pre-installed adjustable speed ARGB fans for exceptional cooling. These fans can be controlled via motherboard software to create cool and colorful lighting effects while ensuring proper airflow with anti-vortex blades. The case is built with toughened glass panels that not only look great, but also provide durability, sound insulation, and a premium feel. Its rectangular mid-tower design ensures it won't take up extra space on your desktop, combining practicality and aesthetics. Inside the box, you'll find the C690 computer case, 6 PWM ARGB case fans, a user manual, and a screw accessory. Plus, KEDIERS includes an extra PWM fan hub motherboard, just in case your motherboard lacks 5 V3-pin fan wiring ports. KEDIERS is committed to customer satisfaction and offers support for any issues you may encounter with your case. You can reach out to them for assistance, ensuring a hassle-free experience. The KEDIERS ATX PC Case C690 offers a stunning visual experience, powerful cooling, and a practical design. Whether you're a gamer or a PC enthusiast, this case is a great choice to showcase your hardware and style. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your PC build with the KEDIERS C690. That's it for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth product analysis. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll continue to explore the latest tech innovations.